Hello everyone, I'm Shannon Kelly, Social Media Manager at the Toronto Real Estate Board.
And I'm Jason Mercer, the Toronto Real Estate Board's Senior Manager of Market Analysis.
Now Jason, last month we were talking about how, in 2014 it started off a little bit slow with sales, so was there a rebound in February?
There was a rebound in sales in February, despite inclement weather and a persistent shortage of listings in the low-rise segment of the market. So for singles, semis, and townhomes, we did see a moderate uptick in sales this past February in comparison to last year. So we saw 5,731 sales through the Toronto MLS system last month, up from 5,613 sales during the same period last year.
So the expectation then is that sales growth will continue in 2014.
That's right. In our latest forecast, which we discuss in the Market According to Mercer video available now on TREB's YouTube channel, we're calling for a moderate uptick in sales to about 89,000 this year. Now, it is important to note that if we did see stronger growth in listings as we move through 2014, the growth rate for sales could also be stronger as well.
Now Jason, while sales were up moderately last month, the pace of price growth was definitely stronger. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Definitely. So over the last 12 months, we've seen very strong price growth, certainly well above the rate of inflation. And in February, we saw more of the same, with the average selling price up by more than 8% to over $553,000.
Now, how would that relate to affordability?
Yeah, it's a good question, because certainly as prices go up, people start thinking about, is home ownership affordable in the Greater Toronto Area? And so if you think about how the Toronto Real Estate Board looks at affordability, we're taking a look at what share of the average household income is going towards those major home ownership payments, so mortgage principal and interest, property taxes, and utilities. And while that share is going to move upwards this year, it's still going to be affordable from a mortgage lending perspective, ranging somewhere between, say, 33% and 34% this year.
Which is great to hear. And we will both be back with you to talk about March 2014 and wrap up the first quarter. In the meantime, you can still connect with us on Twitter at TREB Home, as well as on Facebook. And for both of us, have a great month.
Brought to you by GTA Realtors.